Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install HWiNFO 64 in your computer in a very simple way. HWiNFO 64 is a monitors 500 plus hardware sensors including CPU, GPU and VRAM temperatures. How you can simply download it: you have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for HWiNFO 64 download. Click on that. And then we're going to get it from the source forge. Click on this, click on download, and as you can see, download has been completed. Click on the folder icon, and here is the zip file. So if you click on extract all, click on extract, and here it is. Click on it 2 times to install. The first one is not working, so now we'll look for 64. So click on it. There will be a permission. Click yes. And now if you simply minimize all of your background tab, click on start, and now it's examining the system configurations. So this is how you can simply download and install HWiNFO in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.